Welcome to our incredible modern potato chip manufacturing factory. Every morning begins with fresh deliveries of premium potatoes. Look at these massive stacks of high-quality raw potatoes. Our logistics team ensures every single batch meets standards. The advanced stainless steel conveyor belts are powering up. Workers carefully open the sacks to release fresh potatoes. These raw beauties are ready for the washing process.
Thousands of fresh potatoes begin their exciting journey here. Our expert inspectors keep a close eye on quality.
High-tech robotic cameras scan each potato for perfect quality. Automated mechanical arms instantly remove any bruised or bad potatoes. This massive facility successfully sorts millions of potatoes daily. Real-time computer tracking ensures only the best move forward. Operators can easily adjust the speed using modern controls. Approved potatoes cascade down into the main collection vat. The fresh potatoes take a plunge into crystal clear water. Powerful yellow brushes scrub away dirt under high pressure. Every single potato comes out perfectly clean and glowing. A freshwater rinse leaves them spotless and beautifully shiny. Warm air quickly dries the potatoes in this tunnel. Next, they enter the massive stainless steel peeling centrifuge. Abrasive walls quickly scrape away the rough potato skin. Perfectly peeled potatoes slide down the shiny metal chute.
Quality inspectors verify that the peeling process is flawless.
The smooth peeled potatoes rush toward the slicing machines. These high-speed slicers are fully enclosed for ultimate safety. Ultra-sharp blades cut the potatoes into incredibly thin slices. Hundreds of fresh slices fly onto the dark conveyor. The potato slices form a perfect line on the belt. Millions of raw slices travel through this massive facility. High-pressure nozzles wash away the excess starch right here.
Each raw slice glistens with perfectly clear water droplets.
Powerful air blowers blast the remaining water right off. Inspectors closely examine the slices for the perfect thickness.
Advanced lasers scan the moving chips for uniform thickness.
The raw slices plunge into a bubbling golden fryer. Hot oil transforms them into perfectly crispy golden chips.
Thick steam rises as the chips fry to perfection.
Mechanical paddles gently push the chips for even cooking. Watch them turn into a beautiful, crispy golden brown. A wire mesh conveyor lifts the hot chips out. This freshly fried chip looks incredibly crispy and delicious. Vibrating conveyors help shake off any excess hot oil. Operators perfectly maintain the frying temperature for exact crispness. Intense air knives blow the remaining oil right off. Large industrial fans cool the chips in this tower. A beautiful golden ribbon of chips winds gracefully upwards. The cooled chips finally drop into the seasoning drum. A perfect mist of fine salt coats the chips. Every ridge catches the exact right amount of salt. This rotating drum coats chips in vibrant barbecue flavor. Inspectors carefully verify the perfect seasoning coverage right here. High-tech automated scales ensure the exact amount of seasoning. Vibrating tables spread the seasoned chips into an even layer. Optical cameras instantly blast away any imperfect potato chips. A massive sea of perfect chips heads toward the packaging. The chips fall into the advanced combination weighing system. Small metal buckets drop the exact portion down the chute. The iconic yellow packaging film unrolls at incredibly high speed. Tension rollers quickly shape the flat film into a tube.
High-speed lasers print the date codes directly onto the packaging. Perfectly weighed portions of golden chips fall into the bag.
A quick blast of nitrogen gas keeps the chips fresh. Heated jaws seal the bags incredibly tight in a second. A sharp knife cleanly separates each fully formed chip bag. The finished bag drops gently onto the fast output belt.
Hundreds of identical bags travel rapidly down the conveyor line.
Mechanical arms test every single bag for perfect seal integrity. Every bag passes through a metal detector for ultimate safety. Inspectors pull random bags to verify all the barcode data. Mechanical arms swiftly fold empty cardboard boxes into perfect shape. Advanced robotic arms quickly pick up multiple bags simultaneously. The robotic arms gently place the chip bags inside boxes. Fully packed boxes continuously roll down the line for sealing. An automated machine securely seals the top of every box. Heavy-duty robotic arms lift multiple sealed boxes into the air. Robots stack the boxes perfectly onto a strong wooden pallet. A fully loaded pallet sits ready for the automated wrapper. Automated arms wrap the entire pallet in tight plastic film. Tight plastic wrap keeps everything perfectly secure during long transit. Automated printers apply the final shipping label right onto pallets. Autonomous forklifts easily lift the massive wrapped pallets of chips. These forklifts navigate the massive storage warehouse completely and autonomously. Logistics managers track every single pallet using rugged digital tablets. The warehouse operates with incredible efficiency and stunning robotic precision. The massive loading dock doors open for the waiting trucks. The logistics team gives the green light to start loading. Forklifts carry the wrapped pallets straight into the waiting truck. Pallets are packed incredibly tightly to maximize the shipping space.
Workers secure the load tightly with heavy yellow cargo straps.
These heavy-duty straps ensure the cargo stays perfectly safe. With the quick press of a button, loading is complete. The trailer doors pull down and securely lock the cargo. A tamper-proof seal guarantees the shipment remains completely safe today. Here's the final manifest. All set? Looks good. Thanks. The driver receives the final shipping manifest for the delivery. The massive truck engine roars to life and readies itself. The fresh potato chips are finally on their way out. A convoy of delivery trucks delivers happiness across the country. Back inside, the massive factory never stops producing absolute perfection. Thank you for visiting the ultimate modern potato chip factory.